Hi! In front of me is MEIZU M8 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose apps and select app permissions. Over here under apps, you can select one of your applications by clicking at the chosen one, like Opera Mini. Then scroll down and as you can see, this app has access to all of those features. If you wish to deny it, you can click on location access, for example, select ask, reject or allow, in my case reject, and now Opera no longer has access to this device location. But you can also go into permissions over here, select one of your phone's features like, for example, turn on Bluetooth, pick one of your apps like PUBG Mobile and pick one of the options, allow, ask or reject. I will go with reject again, so now this game no longer has access to my Bluetooth. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!